More than 10 years ago, we started working with Configit, with CNH Industrial.
So you have at your badge, you will most likely find the first speaker actually will lead a conversation about the AI adoption in order to understand.
AMA was one of the key players in Torino, but in Italy as well, to represent the industry at European level.
It's very important that we can work with other software companies.
Giving added value on digitalizing the process, to think about simplifying things, simplifying rules.
In the market, you will have the possibility to be more innovative, faster in the market, and be very attractive to your customers.
A unique solution, a unique entry point that allow our company to configure services based on everything in one place.
An experience where they can configure together the product and the service.